another way of creating the document in Google Docs is to go to your drive.google.com. Okay, when you go to drive.google.com, you can, in here, you can create folders as well. You can create files, okay, any files. It can be files of Google Docs or Google Sheet or Google Slide or anything that's sort of you can see you have like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So the good thing is the Google Docs can open your Microsoft Word as well. Okay, so it's a multi-cross platform, so there's no worry about it, and you can edit them both. Also, you can drag files or folders right into here, and then you'll have them. But pretend I don't have anything, okay? How I can create a new one. So don't worry, we're gonna right click on here, and here it says Google Docs. Okay, if you go in here, it says blank or from template. So you can say blank or from a template, okay, it doesn't matter. Also, another way is you can upload from here. If you already have some Google Docs, so you can upload it. If you have Google, if you have Microsoft even, so you can upload. Even upload folder. You can create also folder. Let's go ahead and create some folders, and then into it, we're gonna add our Google Docs. So I've clicked right now, and I'm gonna click again. In here, it says name your folder. I'm gonna say Google Docs, and then hit create. So it says working, and right now the folder will be created, and later on I can add anything, any file into it without no worry, even dragging and dropping or uploading using right click. So that's it. This is the folder of Google Docs, and then into it I can open this right now, and then I can really add files that I wanted. So let's start a new blank page with Google Docs. I'm gonna click in here, blank document. And once you click in here, you will have like this page that's already loaded into my computer. So that's the number one, this is the number 2 way that you can create a new blank document in Google Docs. Let's keep up the good work.